field, not knowing where the sword is hidden.
Yeah, get out of there.
Take this sword and place it upright under one of the boxes. We cannot see which box you choose. Our lives are in your hands. As it's Series 13, choose wisely.
Good luck.
Simon, you will decide which boxes we belong to. This blindfold will prevent you from seeing which boxes Simon picks. Simon, these 4 envelopes contain numbers that correspond to each box. You pick different boxes for each of us to fall onto. As one of the boxes contains the sword, your choice will determine our fate. Stand above your box.
They're not number.
Brother, stand above your box. Simon, you have now chosen our fate.
It's best you don't watch this. And you put a sword there, yeah?
Yes.
I mean, don't try this at home. Oh, God. Oh, God.